Hello guys, where you can find a professional push-button switch factory? Absolutely here. We are a source factory, and what are the advantages of sourcing from a factory compared to a distributor's? First, we are a source factory of push-button switches based in Wenzhou, Zhejiang, China, with a total area of 18,000 square meters, with a professional team and 260 employees. We offer a wide range of push-button switches. You can find all you need here. Second, as a source factory, you can benefit from a regional price and excellent services here, without middlemen earning money. Our foreign trade team provides personalized one-on-one services. If you are looking for a push-button switch supplier, we will be your best partner. Contact us. We will not let you down. I'm Olivia from KND, your reliable push-button switch supplier in China.